Hey everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make the phone and credit card for the crossbody. I'm gonna go slow one at a time, and so you understand this easily. So I cut the two interfacing. It's the same size. I use midway interfacing, and the size is 4.5 inches by 20.25 inches, and I have two. I also cut one lining and one main fabric for the bag too. Look at this, so beautiful. And I got this at I think I got it from I believe Walmart have it. So take one out, and then one of the side you're gonna mark 1 inch, and then on the top here 1.25 inches, and round this area just symbol like that. I'm gonna sew the top and the bottom, same to here. So everyone, after I sew this to the ring, you can purchase in my description box. If you check in there, there's the link for you to look at. These with the interfacing, and I'm going to mark from the top down. Remember the curve? You're gonna mark the 4 3/4 inch. You're gonna sew it in. So everyone, after I sew on this, I'm gonna bring back the main side, and I'm gonna place on this on top. Okay, this is the loop that we just sewed in, so it's right to here. You're gonna leave about 2-3 inches open, so follow the interfacing on the side, and you're going to sew all around, all the way to here, all around here, and stop. Leave this open so you can inside out. So these two I have cut 4 inches wide, 14.5 inches long, and the fabric I have here is 4 3/4 inch by 15 inches long. You go to iron on both. Just iron on it. I also have two interfacing right here. This is midway also, 4 3/4 inch by 6 inches long, and I cut two fabric, and I use the main fabric, and you're gonna fold it the inside out like this for both. The fold is here and the fold is here. You're gonna place the interfacing on it. They go right into that side, and you can see around we have an extra. Iron on it and iron on it. Everyone, after I iron on both, this pink one, place the right side to the right side. You going to sew, but on the side here you can leave about 2 inches open or more. So follow the interfacing, and then sew all around to here and stop. Leave this open so you can inside out. That, and then the one that we have the fold. This is the fold. You don't need to do anything on the fold. On the bottom here, you can leave about 1.5 inches open. So you're gonna sew from the fold, follow the interfacing, sew it down to here, skip this, go to here, go into here, sew all the way to here. Same thing to this piece. The fold is up here. Do exactly the same. Down here, leave 1.5 inches, good enough for you to inside out. Sew it down, sew it to here, leave this open, go into here, go all the way to here. So everyone, after I sew around and I left this main piece here that open, and we're gonna go ahead and cut around. I just want to show you what I did here. And then this one, the two here, also I left it open right here so I can inside out. After that, we're gonna trim around. And then this two piece right here with the fold, I left it on the bottom here open, and this is the fold, and I have two of them. Now go ahead and trim. Just like that. Okay, and then the rest of them you're gonna trim exact like that. The place that you leave it open, you don't cut. Okay, you're gonna cut around. Go ahead and do all this piece and then this piece, just trim. Just like so. Now you're gonna go ahead and inside out all. After I iron everything, you go and top stitch this pink one. This is for the pocket, and this is the main side. You're gonna top stitch all around. And this one, go ahead and top stitch the top side right here, and then this side right here, this side right here, and this side right here. So everyone, after I top stitch here, and I top stitch here, and then this one too, and so at this one top stitch all around, and this one too. So this one with the main, this is the main side. So I'm gonna mark from the bottom with a straight side all the way up to 7 1/4 inches. Seven 1/4 inches in this side too. And then I'm gonna connect this line. You need to have this line connect so you know where you sew. And then from this up, another 1/2 inch. And also connect this. Okay, remember this is the long one. Okay, put that on the side, and now this is the pocket side. From the bottom up, you're going to mark 7 inches. So 7 inches, mark on both sides so you can connect them evenly. And then draw the line. You can see I mark a little bit there, just to make it quicker. And then 1/2 inch up, just like the other one. 1/2 inch up. Like that. Okay, so now you're going to bring this back, this side back to place on this side, but make sure they match up with 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. You're gonna sew this line and sew this line. So everyone, after I sew on this line, The rain is so bad outside. I hope you can hear me. So you have something like this, okay? It's even like this. So you're going to mark on the top here, 1/2 inch. Here, we're walking on this one right here. I just want to make sure I turn the right way. So okay, like that. Okay. So now we're going to mark on this side. You're gonna mark 1 1/4 inch and then 1 1/4 inch. So 1 1/4 inch and then 1 1/4 inch here. I always want to make sure it go on the bottom. It's the same, so it never mess up. It's always even. 1 1/4 inch. Connect the 2 lines. This is a fabric marker. You can wash it off. So there's that 1 1/4 inch here too. So then you have the middle one. You fold it. Folding this in. You're gonna do exactly the same to this one, okay? We have 2. Now remember, we folding this 1 1/4 inch. I want this side to be facing up like this, like the scale. So this way, everyone. So this one and this one. Okay, the first one, you're gonna take this, and this the fold. You're gonna wrap it where you mark in 1/2 inch. So you kind of like wrap it around here, like this. You hear the rain? Oh, this rain is good when you lie down and take a nap. Okay, so now when you have one in, you're gonna bring the second one, and you see where you mark the 1/2 inch on the other side, on this, so you can see. So you see that 1/2 inch on this side. Make sure you wrap that the same way. Got this one. And then the other one, you're going to do exactly the same, okay? So you're going to wrap where you mark in 1/2 inch on this side. You're going to clip it down. And then on the bottom here, make sure you clip that too. And then on this side, you're going to wrap this and with it 1/2 inch. Okay, and then you're going to clip it. Same thing. Right on the fold here, you're going to sew this so the fold in here can wrap the pink. Sew this line down, and on this side, sew this line too. On this side, sew this, and sew this. Very simple. So everyone, after I sew on the side here, and then the side here, and the side here. So now you can connect this to here, and connect this to here, and this to here. So on the long way here, you're gonna mark 6 inches, because that is the length of this. So 6 inches. I'm gonna bring this over this way, like this. Place it where you just marked the 6 inches. I'm gonna sew this. So all the way down. Everyone, after I sew around here and then on the other side, so now this is the top one. You're gonna fold it in half so you can mark the center, so you can add the button to it. I go down about half an inch here. So after I did the one side, I'm moving this down. When I move this down, I make sure this one would stay on the top of that, like even like this, everyone. So it's like square on the top like that. And I also have cut here. This is 3 inch by 44 inch. Fold it in half, just like when you make the loop for that, the top part. Okay, so fold it in half all the way to the other end, and then after that you're gonna fold it in half again, and then you're going to make the strap for it. Sew the top. When after you fold, you sew the top and the bottom all the way. So everyone, after I sew on this, and then I'm using this side about 1.5 inches, and then you fold a 1/4 inch at the end. Go to here. You sew this, and then the other end you're gonna do exactly the same. Sew it. Make sure you don't twist it. Okay. Let's go to here, 1/4 inch, and then move that down. Same with the other side. And that is that for the strap. And then let me show you how big this one is. So from top down to the bottom, here to here, 7.5 inch, and right across it's 4.25 inches. You can put the phone in there. You'll put the wallet in there. You have wallet, you can put it in there. You can make another wallet, and then the other compartment right here, you can put other thing in here, a credit card, whatever, or anything you want. And then after that, you're going to use the strap that you make. You click on one side, make sure it won't twist around, and then you're going to click this side, and that's it. Hold this way. It is so cute. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.